Hi boys and girls, and welcome to this week's Flip Learning for Maths. Before we start, you're going to need some paper, a pen, a number line, some cubes and some numicon. This week we're learning all about subtraction. Pause the video and write down as many words as you can that mean subtraction. When you've written them, you can start the video again and see how many you've got right. Let's see how you did. Subtraction also means take away. Less. When we subtract, our total is less. The difference. When we are subtracting, we are finding the difference between two numbers. Minus is another word for take away. And left. When we are subtracting, we are finding how many are left over when we've taken some from a group. Well done if you got all the words right. Just like addition, we have some special symbols we use for subtraction too. This is the sign we use for subtraction. It's a straight line. It's for take away. Can you do the take away sign with your arm? Take away. Well done. This is the sign we use for equals or total, and we will be needing this later when we do our number sentences. So let's have a look at a simple subtraction sentence. Here we have some camels. 1, 2, 3. Do you remember what this sign means? It's take away. Well done. Take away 1, 2 equals. Let's write that as a number sentence. 3 take away 2 equals. There we go. Now that we've written our number sentence, 3 take away 2 equals, we can use the pictures to help us solve the answer. When we're taking away, it's very important that we remember that our numbers are getting smaller. This means that we will always be counting backwards. Our numbers will always be less. They will be getting smaller. An easy way to solve a subtraction sum when you have pictures is to use the crossing out method. We can cross out the camels that we are taking away and find how many are left. Let's read our number sentence one more time, just so we know how many we are taking away. 3 take away 2. Here's our 3 camels. 1, 2, 3. But we're taking 2 away, so let's cross out 2 camels. 1, 2. How many camels are left now that we've taken away 2? Just 1. Well done. Let's write in our answer as 1. You can check your answer using your fingers. We have 1, 2, 3 camels, and we take 2 away. 1, 2. We have 1 camel left. Well done. Just like when we're adding, we can use a number line to help us check our answer. When we subtract or take away, our numbers are always getting smaller. That means that we're counting backwards on the number line. We start at 3, the bigger number, and then we take away 2, which means we are jumping backwards 2 numbers on the number line. 1, 2. We landed on number 1. That's the same answer as before. Well done for helping me check. Just like addition, we can use lots of things to help us when we're subtracting. Just there, we used pictures, our fingers, and a number line. But you can also use numicon and cubes to help you answer questions. This is very helpful when we don't have any pictures. Let's try a trickier one. Here we have another number sentence. Can you read it with me? 8 take away 3 equals. Pause the video and see if you can figure out the answer. You can use the numicon on screen to help you, or think of the other resources you can use, like cubes, your fingers, or even a number line. Good luck! Let's see how you got on. Our number sentence is 8 take away 3, so I know I'm going to need 8 numicon. Then I'm going to take away 3 by placing my 3 on top. Now I need to count how many of my orange numicon I have left over. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 orange numicon left over, so that must be my answer. Do you know a clever way we can check to make sure our answer is right? Yes, that is perfect. We could use our fingers, or we could check our answer on a number line. I know, today we can do both, just to make sure we're right. Let's use our numbers first. So we need 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're taking away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do we have left? 5. Well done. Let's check our answer on the number line too. We start at the biggest number, which is 8. And remember, when we are subtracting or taking away, our numbers are always getting smaller. This means that we are counting backwards on the number line. We're taking away 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. We landed on 5. Great job. You are fantastic. Now let's try another number sentence using cubes. 10 take away 4 equals. Pause the video and try it all by yourself. When you think you've figured it out, start the video again and we'll work through it together. Great, let's see if we can figure it out. 10 take away 4 equals. We have 10 cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're taking away 4. Let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 take away 4 is equal to 6. Let's write that in our number sentence. 6. Let's use our fingers to check the answer. 10 fingers. Let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers do we have left? That's right, we've 6. Just to make sure, can you pause the video and check using the number line? Always start on the biggest number in the number sentence and count backwards because we are taking away, which means our numbers are getting smaller. How did you do? Let's work through it together. 10 take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on 6. Did you? Excellent. Give me an air high five. Shh. Well done. Now I think you're ready to try some by yourself. Pause the video and have a go at answering these subtraction sentences. Remember, you can always use cubes, numicon, your fingers, and a number line to help you. And you should always check your answer just to make sure your pen hasn't played a trick on you. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.